Today we're going to be unboxing the Puffco Vision Plus. Let's jump right into this unboxing. What is up guys? Welcome to Eduvape. My name is Sean and today we're going to be checking out the Puffco Vision Plus. The Puffco Vision Plus is a limited edition version of the Puffco Plus, which is a beloved portable wax or dab pen that actually changed the industry. They featured a ceramic coil-less atomizer, and after Puffco, a lot of people became more mindful of the benefits of having a coil-less system. The Puffco Vision Plus features a coil-less atomizer, a built-in dab tool that's built right into the mouthpiece, and the Puffco Vision Plus has this beautiful psychedelic and trippy theme that the Vision Lightning came with. So here is the Vision Lightning Puffco Peak base. Mine's a little dirty, and this actually is in the same psychedelic and trippy theme as the Vision Lightning. Puffco also introduced that beloved SESH mode where you double click twice and you can just auto draw, hand it off to a friend. That's pretty cool. They're always innovating. Today we're going to be unboxing the Puffco Vision Plus. Let's jump right into this unboxing. So here is the front of the box. Right at the center it says Vision Edition, and you can see that there's that Puffco logo right at the center with that trippy theme. At the bottom right you can see that it says Portable Vaporizer, and at the top right you can see that it says Puffco Plus. The Puffco Vision Plus comes in a rectangular black box with a cardboard band around the center to hold everything in place. It's also plastic sealed. Puffco Plus is written on the top of the unit. On the bottom of the unit, you can see that there is another Puffco Plus written right there. Lastly, at the back of the box, you can see that there's the UPC code and a bunch of other information at the bottom. I believe that this right here is the serial number for the unit. That is basically the packaging for the Puffco Vision Plus. I'm gonna go ahead and remove this piece of plastic. There it is. You can see that the Puffco Vision Plus comes in a matte cardboard box. Pretty nice box actually. After I remove the plastic, this box is extremely premium and you can get fingerprints all over it pretty easily. Definitely easily tell whether or not you're getting a new unit that way. It's like my fingerprints are on here. So here's the front of the box. See that there's Puffco written underneath that band right there, and hidden underneath this band is basically what the company stands for. You get out what you put in, and that's basically what they're trying to accomplish with the Puffco Vision Plus. They're trying to get the most unadulterated experience, pure experience that you can basically get. Everything built from the ground up was focused on this little statement right here, and that's what I really appreciate about Puffco. Puffco written on the side, and when you remove that band, underneath is the logo. Let's go ahead and proceed with the unboxing. Wow. Dang. Guys, like that's a beautiful unboxing right there. Like, look at it. Here's the pen. The Puffco Vision Plus is at the center right there, over a felt background, and it's clean looking. That gray felt background makes the Puffco Vision Plus like really pop out. Like the colors really come through, and that matte finish makes it look like an item that shouldn't even exist on this plane of reality, holding true to that psychedelic and trippy theme. This Puffco Vision Plus looks amazing. So first thing you'll notice is the instruction manual. Here it is. Next thing you'll notice is the Q-tips, the cotton tips to keep your device clean. Next, you'll see the USB fast charger. Lastly, 2 grips. That's basically everything that the Puffco Vision Plus comes with. Let's go ahead and take a closer look at the Puffco Vision Plus. So here's the Puffco Vision Plus. At the center right there, you can see that there's that Puffco button, but this time it's in a very sick neon green kind of color. At the top right there, you can see that the silicone mouth tip is a nice blue color. Here it is. Very, very sleek and unique pen. Like, this looks freaking amazing. So the top right here is the mouthpiece. It screws right off. The very top is the silicone mouth tip. This actually protects your lips from getting burnt, especially when you're using this device for a long time. This mouthpiece tends to get really, really hot. The other cool part about this little mouth tip is that when you press down on it, it reveals your tool, making it easier to scoop your concentrate. I also noticed that there's a slight improvement on the tool. There's a slight curve to it. You can actually pull out this entire piece like that. clean it, also replace it when you need to. This part also protects your mouth from getting any oil or concentrates in it. The next part is the COIL-LESS ceramic atomizer. And if you look right into the atomizer, you can see that beautiful COIL-LESS ceramic heater. You can also see 4 air holes placed evenly along the walls of the chamber. Bottom is a basic 510 thread. Lastly, the Puffco Vision Plus battery. Nice little battery. You can see that there's that Puffco logo. So to turn on the battery, go ahead and press the button 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It should flash like that. To change the temperature, press the button 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. It should change different colors. To activate the on-demand heating, go ahead and press the button down. So when you press it down, the LED comes up. And to activate SESH mode, go ahead and press the button twice. And this keeps the heater on, so you don't have to use your fingers to hold down the button to keep the heater activated. And to turn off SESH mode, go ahead and press the button once. This is basically the entire Puffco Vision Plus. It just comes with the battery, the atomizer, and the mouthpiece. It's simple, but they also put a lot of time and effort and attention to each part. I'm gonna go ahead and put the grips on so you guys get a good look at them. Mine came with a green and also a little purple grip. For me, the silicone grip serves a couple of purposes. The first purpose is that when you're laying this down on a hard surface, your pen won't get scratched. The second purpose is that when you're using this for a while, this chamber tends to get hot, and with this little grip, it actually protects your fingers and any object from heat. The third purpose is that it's a nice grip material to hold on to when you're using it. You can hold your unit nice and firm right here at the grip. This is what the Puffco Vision Plus looks like with the magenta grip. And here's the unit with a green. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is take off that mouthpiece and press down silicone tip, extending the tool. Now that the tool is extended, go ahead and get your concentrates and scoop decent size. You don't want too much because you don't want to overfill your chamber. Here's my decent size. Now what you're going to want to do is go ahead and put that mouthpiece back. Now that the mouthpiece is on, go ahead and press your power button 5 times to turn on your device. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It should flash like that. Now press the button 4 times to cycle through the temperatures and choose the one that you want. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now that you have the temperature you want, either press down the button and inhale or double click the button to activate SESH mode and inhale. So I'm going to demo the first way, pressing the button down. Cheers everyone. Wow, on blue, the flavor is amazing. You get out exactly what you put in. Literally, this is the most unadulterated flavor I have ever gotten out of any pen. Looking for something super pure, Puffco Vision Plus might be for you. I'm gonna go ahead and try it on that SESH mode. What you do is double click, 1, 2, and then go ahead and inhale whenever. Nice. Gonna go ahead and turn up the temp. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, SESH mode. Whoa, that's a nice one. Let's turn up the temp a little bit more. 2, 3, 4. Let's see what this can do. 1, 2. Cheers. That was as much clouds as a regular Puffco Peak Dab. If you're looking for something portable, on the go, discreet, check out the Puffco Vision Plus. Very cool device. Efficiently and cleanly vaporize all of my concentrates. At this point, I'm just gonna go ahead and Q-tip it. Don't press down too hard. You might want to warm it up just a little bit. And just like that, your device is ready for the next time you want to use it. Throw on the charger, plug this into a wall, and you're good. Thank you guys so much for watching. Today, we unboxed the Puffco Vision Plus. We also demoed the device, and we also gave you guys a brief overview of how the device works and everything that's included. I hope that this video helped you out in some way. Like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Sean, and this is EduVape.